Hi all, welcome to the second video tutorial of Extend Report. So in the last session, we saw how can we generate Extend Report in a simple way. So why I said simple way, because if you see here we have only one class file, right? And everything we have written in this class file itself. But when you implement automation framework in real time, you will have multiple class files. And this should not be the case. Everything we cannot write in one class file, right? So what if we have multiple class files and we want to generate extend report, and those multiple class files have test methods, right? So in that case, what we can do is we have to create a separate class file for extend report, or say like we can create one base class file where we can initialize the reference variables of extend report classes and WebDriver interface. Okay, I will show you. So what we can do here is, here I can create one more package, new, and I'll go here package, and I can write here com.selenium auto dot say utility. Okay, and here I can create one class file. I'll go new class and I will name it as say base test. Okay, and whatever I have written here, right? So all these things I will copy and paste it in the base test.java. All these reference variables, or say class variables, I will take and paste it over here. Okay, and this set, and what I can do is this setup method, right? This also I can take it. So I'll just take it and paste it over here. Control V. Okay, and I will create one more method, and I'll name it as public static. Say I can write here open browser. Say open browser. Okay, and here I can initialize the reference variable of driver interface. So whatever we have written here, right? All these things I can take it and I will paste it over here. Okay, public static void open browser. That's it. Okay, after that I will take this test method also, the last one, where actually we are writing extend report dot flush. So I will take this method and I will paste it over here. Okay, and I will give at the rate before method annotation to it, because I want the browser to be launched before executing each and every test method. So I will write here before method, and I just have to import this annotation, which comes from org.stng.annotations package, right? After that, I will create one more method, say public static static void close browser, and here I will kill the driver instance. So I'll just write driver dot quit. Okay, or else we can write like this: if driver is not equal to null, then it will kill it. Okay, and I want my application to be closed. after executing each and every test method. So I will give annotation @after method, and this import and this annotation I have to import. Okay, so after that what we can do, so we have created this base test class, right? So what I can do here is I have to implement inheritance mechanism, because all these reference variables can be accessed in the child classes. Okay, so that is the reason what I can do is if I go to this class, right, perform right click .java, here I can write extends base test. Okay, so that whatever class variables or say whatever reference variables we have declared and initialized in the base test.java, those variables can be accessed in the child classes. Okay, so I just have to import this base test. Okay, that's it. So after that, what I can write here is I just have to delete all these statements because these are not required. Okay, so yes, okay, I I'll just remove the blank lines. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this class is ready. Okay, this class is now ready to be executed. But what I will do, I will create one more class, or say I will copy one more class file. So I will go here and I'll take one more class from here, or say one more test case we can take. So I will take say this one, handle alert we can take. Yeah, let's take this handle alert. Okay, I'll copy this and come here and paste it over here. Sorry, not here. This is the test case. I can paste it over here. Yes. Okay. So if you see, this is my handle alert. So I'll just convert it to test.ng. So I'll just remove this pub main method and I'll write here say verify alert functionality. Okay. And this one I'll delete and I will implement inheritance mechanism here, extends base test. Okay, and I'll import this base test class because it has been written in another package, right? So we have to import that particular class file. So I'll remove this one. Let's see what error we have. I'll import it once again. That's it. Okay, and instead of this hard-coded path, I will copy the dynamic path from here. Okay, so this is not required, right? All these things are not required. Okay, so here whatever I have written here, same thing I can write here, say extend. First we have to write this statement, right? So shift end and I will take it over here and paste it to verify alert functionality. Okay, and after that you can write here extent logger dot log and status is info. Okay, and you can write application under test has been launched successfully. Okay, and this one also you can write where we are fetching the browser title. Okay, and this one also I can write here. Okay, the alert text. What is my alert text also I can write here. Okay, and at last when I am accepting the alert and I am switching to the default content, I can finally write here extent logger dot log and I'll make it as pass status dot pass and I will write here alert has been handled successfully. Okay, so this will be my closing statement, or say if my test case gets passed, then I want this message to be displayed. Okay, so let's save it. So in the testng.xml file, we have only one class to be executed, right? So we have to add one more. So I'll copy the same and paste it over here. And instead of perform right click, I can just write handle alert. Handle alert and save it, because this particular class file has been added inside this package, right? com.seleniumauto.testcases package. And now this XML file is ready to be executed. So now we can execute this XML file to generate our desired extend report. Okay, so here we forgot to give @test annotation. So we can give @test, and this annotation we can import and save it. Okay, so now we can run this testng.xml file. So just go to run as one testng suite. So now it is going to execute two test cases. One is right click, verify right click, and another one is verify alert. So the first test case is being executed, and now it is executing the second one. Okay, so all our test cases have been executed successfully. So I can just refresh this project. And this is our extend report.html file. I will open with system editor. Okay, so this is our extend report. Okay, see, two test cases have been executed and these two test cases have passed. And this is the pie chart where it says two tests passed. Okay, and we have provided 5 information, and two test cases have passed successfully. So this is how we can generate extend report, or we can implement extend report if you have multiple class files in your project. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching this.